You see, guys, you have to talk about things. You have to talk about your life. You have to talk about everything under the blue stars. Yes, and so you have to realize that the more you talk about things, the more you'll get to a point of realization. So you have to realize that if you want to grow yourself as a person, you need to be able to talk in front of people. You need to be able to express yourself. You need to be able to give ideas. You need to be able to post this content online to help people. And you need to get to a better point in your life. Yes, and so that's what it's all about. It's always about getting to the next stage in your life, making sure that you're doing much better than yesterday, making sure you're improving your habits, making sure that you're living the best life possible, and understanding what you need to talk about and understand how to live life. Yes, and you need to understand how to live life every single day, and you have to discipline yourself every single day to do better. So always focus on the better things in life, make sure that you have a better mindset, and do the best you can.